What's the one major aspect of human biology that sets us apart from all other life on this earth? Is it our arms, our legs, our voices? No, it's our brains. These very brains which give us an otherworldly superpower, an ability so complex that it has caused an atrophy of our muscles, a skill so unbelievably powerful that it took us millennia to fully master. This power is our ability to gossip, and thus more broadly, our understanding of fictive language, a skill which sets us apart from all other life on this earth. So, what is fictive language, also known as the gossip theory? It's a singularly human trait which allows us the uncanny ability to believe in the unseen. If I were to tell you right now to close your eyes and picture a pink elephant, go on, give it a try, you'd be able to do so, quite readily in fact. We can clearly see how Homo sapien cognitive linguistic ability has evolved to such a degree that it gives us an immense competitive advantage. Large-scale organization and strategizing capabilities, orchestrated largely through religion, a sociological concept entirely unique to humanity. And if you want proof of this, 84% of the modern-day world population affiliates themselves with, and therefore is organized by a religion. And what is religion? Believing in the unseen, a clear display of our unique ability. This cognitive revolution gave way to potentially one of the first crimes of our kind. A crime sprouted from invisible differences, made tangible through the notion of fiction. This crime was the genocide of all other human species. Through the unification of Homo sapiens under a common power, namely archaic forms of religion, sapient hierarchy evolved, constructing an empire spanning the entirety of Africa. This was bolstered by trade, a construct again only able to exist due to the fictive notion of trust held between sapient populations. The incessant imperialism of Homo sapien society catalyzed the extinction of all other human species, as they were quickly slaughtered and deprived of all resources. This was the world's first ethnic cleansing, a concept alien to all other life on Earth. And it wasn't the last. To this day, we continue to destroy each other due to our differences, a notion unique to humanity. Having obtained a cognitive-based sociological hierarchy, humanity began to spread out of Africa. And, as you may have guessed, devastation ensued. A prime example of this is the extinction of the Australian and American megafauna thousands of years ago. I would like you all to once more exercise your abilities of fictive thinking. Close your eyes and imagine 6-meter ground sloths, 10-ton armadillos, and rodents the size of bears. Imagine saber-toothed cats, oversized lions, and mammoths. What do all of these species have in common? It's not the fact that they're mammals. It's that they were all driven to extinction by Homo sapiens. And these are mere examples. In the Americas alone, humanity wiped out 84 of the 107 genera of large mammals. Never before had a species been so adaptable. Never before had a species been so ruthless. And never before had a species been so distinct from the world around us. And we may try and distance ourselves from the abhorrent actions of our ancestors, but the futility of doing so is almost laughable. Modern-day humans are treading the exact same trail. We are cut from the same cloth. We are the same breed of monster. In the last decade alone, the disappearance of 160 species has been declared by the IUCN. This repetition of history is simply shameful, and it's often the case that if a species is not seen as useful to humanity, it is wiped out, leaving only farmyard animals that serve as galley slaves in Noah's Ark, in the words of Yuval Noah Harari. If change does not occur, the biodiversity which we cherish so deeply will surely diminish, forcing sharks, dolphins, and tigers to join the ground sloths, mammoths, and saber-toothed cats in Earth's memory. Humanity is alone in its biology, alone in its sociology, and alone in its actions. And these factors provide evidence to believe that humanity is truly distinct from the world around us. Thank you.